Hello, I'm back and I have one more amazing special offer just for you that will expire at the same time our shop offers expire. Okay, so I have 3 bags available to the guest of each of my hosts this month. Your host has filled out a wish list and she's working towards earning one of her items for free as a special gift from me. She knows what she wants, trust me. And one of the things that she needs to be able to get everything on her wish list is a booking. She needs one of you to book an event off of this one so that she can maximize her rewards. And if you've been paying attention at all, you know that hosting a workshop is going to allow you to get some of the things that you want for a cheaper price, possibly even free. And it will help bring your friends and family along on this journey that can also help them transform their own homes. We have amazing solutions that people need. They work great, and they don't fill your home with toxic chemicals that could be impacting our health. We have products that are going to save your friends time, save your family money on the things that they're currently buying anyway. And I promise you, they will thank you. They will be so thankful for these solutions if you're just willing to give them a chance to come in and learn about them. There's so much great information that we can uncover during the workshops. So we have 3 bags. We have a kitchen bag, we have a bathroom bag, and we have a personal care bag. And I'm super excited to show you what's inside of each one. So let's go check it out. All right, first up, we have bag number 1. It's the kitchen bag. It is going to be your ally in conquering those kitchen messes. Inside, you're going to find the powerful Norwex oven and grill cleaner. It's a game changer for tackling those stubborn stovetop and oven messes. You're also going to get the Spiri Net and Spiri Sponge. The Spiri Sponge has a unique design. It's non-scratching and great for scrubbing the grease and grime effortlessly. The Spiri Net, it's a superhero too. It scrubs away the toughest residue, transforming your kitchen and oven messes. Drop kitchen in the comments below and you're going to be the first in line to snag number 1 kitchen bag. And also, when your host gets 3 bookings, you're going to help her unlock a free item from her wish list. So comment kitchen if you'd like to snag this bag. Let's check out bag number 2. It is our bathroom bag. Guess what? You can get everything in this bag for free when you book your Norwex workshop. Inside this bag, we have the brand new Norwex grout brush. Say goodbye to dull grout on your walls, floors, and honestly, every corner of the bathroom. I'm also going to toss in a couple samples of our bright and white laundry booster. And here's a little secret. It is not just for laundry. It is a non-toxic powerhouse that serves as a bleach alternative. It works wonders on grout, marble, quartz, and so much more. The results will be mind-blowing. You're also going to get a spray bottle, which is going to make cleaning a breeze. And here's a little tip. Grab some of our mold and mildew stain remover when you have your workshop. Check out the incredible difference in the video. You will not believe your eyes. And here's a reminder, when your host secures 3 bookings, she's going to get an item from her wish list for free. So let's help her out and make it happen and put Norwex in the home of your friends and family as well. Last up, we have bag number 3, which is our personal care bag. The best part, you can get it for free when you book your Norwex workshop. It has a symphony of self-care delights. First up is the Body Balm. Say farewell to those pricey treatments for dry and chapped skin that frankly don't cut it. I've witnessed my kids' skin undergo a magical transformation overnight. I'm also throwing in a sample of our cleansing facial powder. It is a game changer that revitalizes and rejuvenates your skin. And let's not forget, it also has the dual-sided makeup remover. It is the softest thing you'll ever grace your face with. And last up, we have a plush hand towel ready to indulge you in some serious self-care. Drop personal care in the comments below to snag this bag before anyone else. And as a friendly reminder, when our host has 3 bookings, she's also going to unlock an item from her wish list absolutely free. Wow. So that's it. You've seen it. You've seen the contents of these bags. And remember that there's one of each of these bags available for each of my hosts. So be the first person to snag the one you want, and you'll be helping your host too. All you have to do is comment which bag you want in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get one of these bags to you when I send all the goodies for your workshop. See you soon.